Welcome to Copper Mountain, where the vibe is laid back, but the skiing, anything but. We rolled into Copper Mountain with blue skies, good vibes, and a parade? Not 5 minutes before this shot, we were weaving our way through a massive crowd. But hey, the quiet village stroll was a vibe all its own. Copper was buzzing with energy, with snowboard and free ski athletes that were there for the USASA National Championships. It's the biggest event of its kind, and you could feel the stoke in the air. Copper has a tagline of being the athlete's mountain, and it lived up to that reputation. Coach and I jumped right into one of the most exhausting, exhilarating ski days of my season. Let's just say Moguls were the main character. Our first full day, we went full send, just like Aspen Snowmass. So if you missed that video from the first part of our trip, you're going to want to check that out. No warm-up today, no mercy, just a mountain of moguls, and the word of the day, stay tuned for that from a fellow skier we met on the trail. We hit the Black Diamond far east. And as Sir Mix-a-Lot sings, it was long, strong, and it was down to get the friction on. This trail literally had moguls the size of VW bugs. I'm talking 20 plus minutes to get down this baby, gasping for air and praying my quads wouldn't give out. Was it glamorous? No. Was it epic? Oh, absolutely. Yep. Yeah. Yep.
That's going to be the easiest path.
Yep. Thank you.
Like even stay above that tree that's
Yep, I see it. Yep.
Doing awesome. Doing awesome.
Thanks.
Unrelenting.
What?
It's all pretty cake. Unrelenting. You just turn and turn.
Yeah. This is a no joke long ass mogul run.
It's a long run, but
Yeah. Ski the east. Where do you ski?
Vermont usually.
Yep.
Oh, Vermont. Snow.
Okay.
Snow. Okay.
In New York.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Sounds good.
I don't see any lifts down this way.
Yeah.
Oh well. We'll get there.
We will.
All good?
Yep. Or, yeah.
1,000 years later.
Alright, I don't know if we're going to be hiking or not, but we'll...
Well, I think we go to the left there. Yep.
Nice job. That was a big one.
That was a big one.
That was all there.
Yeah, it was all there. Sweaty ass bee, for sure. Next up, taco. Sounds cute, right? Think again. Double black, 35% grade. Okay. Yep, or do we want to go over? And yes, my GoPro angle was way too low. Rookie mistake, but I'm learning. And if you are into my vibe, please like and subscribe. then it's your way of saying keep going, and I promise the camera angles will be a lot better. The camera angle doesn't do it justice, but you can see those snowballs tumbling down. This trail meant business.
Thank you. Good. Got my heart pumping for sure.
And we were skiing with this badass 71-year-old who was crushing it. Major life goals. Proof that skiing doesn't come with an expiration date.
Woo, we're having fun, huh?
A great job.
Good
man.
job.
I'm proud of myself for 71.
Yeah.
You should be proud of yourself for any age. That's not easy.
I used to do this all the time. Now I just do it to see if I still can.
You look good on
Woo!
it. Making it look easy.
I forget to breathe.
I know, right? Good job.
You gotta breathe.
Yeah.
So that's a wrap from Copper Mountain. If you enjoyed this chaotic but glorious ski day, give it a like and drop a comment, especially if you've tackled taco or survived VW bug-sized moguls. And don't forget to subscribe. Next up, my wild ride at Arapahoe Basin. Hint, steeps, beautiful vistas, and the most drama for me of the trip. See you next week.
Ah, it was a good day. It was a fun day.